Ma'am, fine.
A very warm welcome to class 6. Those who were left with the reading skill, we will start it first and then I have some worksheet for you all. Fine. So in the meanwhile, Arihan, start reading beta. Switch on your video also and start.
Yes, ma'am. I go interested in boxing and took up the sport when I was 15 years old. I was impaired by Di- Din, Dinko Singh, an Indian boxer who won the gold medal in the 1998 Asian Games. Later, I got interspent by the great Muhammad Ali. I wanted to try hard and aim higher like him. Today, I am inspired by my own achievement and the goal I have set for myself. My desire is to get more medals for India. My passion or the sport is the full fuel that keep me goal driving at all time. Women are considered
Okay, Arihan.
the
Arihan, one thing I have to tell you that when you are reading now, you first practice it at home and don't break yourself. When you are reading one sentence, you should read it in a continuous manner. If there is any punctuation mark, for example, any comma, full stop, something like that, then what you will do is that at that time you will take a pause or take a slight wise more pause for full stop. So you should read it in a smooth manner. Don't break yourself. It doesn't look nice, beta. Okay. You should speak smoothly. Are you getting me, Aryan? What I am saying? And practice more of reading because and why I am saying so that all the other subjects will be very easy for you. If your English is strong, right, Arihan, then all the subjects will be very easy for you to read out and to prepare yourself for the exam. Clear? Clear, Arihan? So need to work hard behind reading. Okay? Chal, good. Cheshta, Cheshta, start reading.
yes, ma'am.
Start your reading.
Good morning. Good morning. I, Chester Kocher, want to read on the Earth in the solar system. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. One would first notice one or two bright dots shining in the sky. Soon you would see the number increasing. You cannot count them anymore. The whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others dim. It seems as if the sky is studded with diamonds. They all appear to be twinkling. But if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. They simply glow without and flicker just as the moon shines along with.
Okay, Cheshta, thank you so much. Uh, still, there is lack of voice modulation, Cheshta. What you have to learn is where you need to pressurize more, you pressurize it. Where you should make your pitch high, so you will make your pitch high there. Okay, and soft, high, low note, high note. So these things you have to practice. Fine. Rest everything is okay. Okay. Next is Tirth Baradia. Chester, you just lower your hands.
Ma'am,
Tirth Baradia's
Ma'am, I'm
writing.
done. Yes, ma'am.
Tirth Mehta. Tirth Mehta.
Yes, ma'am.
Start, beta.
The Giving Tree. A wise person once said that forestry is not about trees, it is about people. The women of the Uttarakhand region were amongst the first to release the value of trees. They made it their lifetime mission to leave undestroyed forests for their children and grandchildren. This movement was an uprising against people who were exploiting nature's resource in the mountains and disturbing the natural balance. One woman who her gener- generation in Uttarakhand are not likely to forest is Gaura Devi. Gaura Devi. She mobilized the women of this region to protect their natural heritage.
Okay.
heritage.
Tirth. Tirth. Beta, what you have to improve is you have to read the words with correct pronunciation. Okay, if you don't know how to pronounce it, just ask me, ki ma'am, what should I say? Okay, so that you can learn how to speak in a with a proper English and making a proper formation of sentence. Clear? Are you getting me? So
Yes, ma'am.
more and more to speak in English and to read in English, so that all your other subjects are in English only. There is it so? Science is in English,
Yes, ma'am.
in English, social is in English,
Yes, ma'am.
all the subjects are in English now.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have to improve, beta?
English.
English language, to speak in a smooth manner. You all are studying from small kids in English medium school na bacha, so you have to improve it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is Nimisha. Nimisha.
Yes, ma'am. Some people choose their dog, and some dogs choose their people. The Penley family had no say in choosing of log. It began on the beach. The summer was 5, the brother 12, and the twins were 3. Sandy was short of Alexander. One day she was lying peacefully reading a comic. Father, Bert, Stanley, and Don were up in the house painting. The bottom boards of the boat in which father went fishing, and mother, Jean Pengley, was making puddings. Little did they guess how soon the state of things would be changed by the large new member who was going to introduce into their midst. Sandy rolled onto her back to make sure that twins were not climbing on slippery rocks. At the same moment, a large body struck her forcefully in the midriff and she was covered by flying sand. Instinctively, she shut her eyes and felt the sand being wiped off her face by something that seems like a warm, rough, damp funnel. She opened her eyes and looked. It was a tongue. Its owner was a large and bouncy young Alston or German Shepherd with tops, eyes, black tipped.
Nimisha beta. Now you what is good in you? You know how to pronounce the English words. That is good. Okay. You know how to speak, but there is one thing lagging. What is that? That is you are reading in a same pace. ठीक है? Your sentence is not reaching to me. The meaning what you want to speak out, that is not reaching to me. You are just reading out in a pale manner. एक जैसा चल रहा है. There is no voice modulation, beta. There is no ups and downs. Okay. So you have to speak as if you are telling a story to all of us. Okay, Nimisha? Got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, next is Arya Bolcha.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा,
Good morning. My name is Ara Golcha.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम बोलते हैं.
Good morning, ma'am. My topic is how Daddy played ping pong ping. When Daddy was a little schoolboy, a new game was invented. It was called ping pong. Nowadays, lots of children play ping pong. But in those days, ping pong was all the rage. It was played from morning till night in every school and courtyard, on tables, benches, grand pianos, and on the floor. Some even played at night. Many kids forget that anything else excite accepted ping pong. There were ping pong matches in Little Daddy schools every single day. Every class play each other to determine the school champions. Then they play each other, and the winner became the district champion. Then there was a city tournament. Then Moscow and Leningrad play each other. Little Daddy was amazed. He just couldn't understand why it was no so interesting to keep bunching a little white ball back and forth with little paddles. Why don't you try it? One of his friends would say. It's no fun. It sure is. No, it's isn't. Just try it.
Arya, you know English, you know to speak in English, but set your camera on your face. I can see only the ceiling. Huh. So Arya, what's your problem is you have to set your expression. When you're reading, there is no expression on your face. Pale jara, there is no voice modulation, beta. When I read something, you have seen my expression, Arya?
Yes, ma'am.
When I read, does that reading reaches to your heart? आपके दिल तक पहुंचती है मेरी बात?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When I am reading something, there is a nice expression of words. Okay, Arya? So you have to improve this.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Arham? Arham?
Yes, sir.
Start, beta.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Arun Jain. Today, I share a paragraph with you.
I will read.
The increasing popularity of computers.
Read.
We'll read a paragraph. The increasing read a paragraph. The increasing popularity of computers, video games, and television has made children lethargic. They do not realize the importance of sports and other physical activities. Participation in organized sports offers the chance to enhance their physical and social skills. It increases the child's motor skills and his her interest in sports. This not only offers children a chance to earn the monotony of their daily life, but also entertain, entertain them. Sports help in a character building and provide them with energy and strength. Sports improve their blood circulation and their physical well-being. Thank you.
Okay. Fine then. Now I would like to ask all the students, I hope so everyone has now completed their reading. Is anyone left yet?
Yes, ma'am, I'm left.
Chahat?
Ma'am, yesterday I've read one story, so ma'am, I have to read today also.
No, no, not needed.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else?
Ma'am, Tani Bothra.
Tani?
I'm Sonu Ben.
Yes, ma'am.
You have not read out?
No, ma'am.
Read out first. That's what I am asking you. Whosoever is left, raise your hands. No one is doing that.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, switch on your camera. And rest of the students switch off the mic. Only Tani will keep the mic and camera both on.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out.
When I was a girl of about 12, I used to stay in a village in North Karnataka with my grandparents. Those days, the transport system was not very good, so we used to get the morning paper only in the afternoon. The weekly magazine used to come one day late. All of us would wait earlier for the bus, which used to come with the paper, weekly magazine, and the post. At that time, Triveni was a very popular writer in the Kannada language. She was a wonderful writer. Her style was easy to read and
Tani,
very convincing.
Tani, it is Kannada language. It is not Canada.
Okay, ma'am. Her stories,
Switch on your camera.
her story, her stories usually, ma'am, dealt
Yes, beta.
ma'am GEALT.
GEANT.
LT
LT. Guilt.
deals with complex physically problems in the lives of ordinary people and were always very interesting. Ma'am done.
Okay. This is left. Done.
Ma'am, Sonu bed.
Sonu, switch on your camera. Sonu, switch on your camera.
मैम मेरा वीडियो ऑन है लेकिन पार्टिसिपेंट में नहीं दिखाता.
Okay, start reading.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Sonu Bed from class 6. I read chapter Light, Shadows and Reflection. We see so many objects around us. On the way to school, we see things like buses, cars, cycles, trees, animals, and sometimes flowers. How do you think we see objects? Think of the same places at night time. If it were completely dark, what will you see? Suppose you go inside a completely dark room.
Is off.
Are you able to see any objects in the room? But when you light a candle or a torch, you can see the objects present in the room. Isn't it? Without light, things cannot be seen. Light helps us see objects. The
Okay.
torch.
Good. Sonu, you have to improve your voice modulation, beta. You have to pressurize, you have to be expressive. When you're reading, your reading should reach to everyone. आप जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो हर एक बच्चे तक, हर एक इंसान तक के वो चीजें पहुंचनी चाहिए. That is what a reading is. When you read out, everyone should feel yes, they have understood. Okay, it should not be in a like a pale manner. It should not be. There should be a modulation in between. Okay, so no.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest anyone is left? Kushal Parak. Start. Deshna Jan. Kushal.
I am Kushal Parak on class 6. Chapter number 3, Fun with Magnet.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. And good morning, everyone. My name is Kushal Parak. I am in class 6. I am reading chapter number 13, Fun with Magnet. Kali and Bojo went to a place where a lot of waste material was laid into the something extreme was happening. A Kearney was moving toward the head. John, the long hand of the crane, lowered a block over a held. It then began the move against what many pieces of iron junk were stealing. The buck was moved always. They had
Kushal,
the very yes, ma'am.
beta, you have practiced before the same page.
No, ma'am.
Now I am giving you one duty today. You will 10 to 20 times read the same paragraph at home. Tomorrow again I am having class, I think so. If I don't have, then on Monday, whatever it is, next class, you will first start the class and read out, because you are reading it in a like a break manner. In one sentence, there are 10 breaks. Will it look nice if I read in this manner? अगर मैं ऐसे पढ़ूंगी तो कैसा लगेगा? Will you enjoy? Will you enjoy the class then? No, na? So I have to read as if I am telling you a story. You will fall in love with my story. You should read out so beautifully. Okay? It should reach directly to your heart, beta. जब दादी नानी सब कहानियां सुनाते हैं, when they tell you a story, how beautifully it reaches to your heart, right? Because they speak in Hindi and Hindi is your pet normal language, and it reaches directly to your heart, right? In the same manner, in English also, we have to say and read out so beautifully that it directly reaches to your heart. Okay, Kushal? Practice well.
Yes, ma'am.
Deshna? Deshna?
Yes, ma'am.
Start, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Deshnajan from class 6. One of the oldest books in the world. You may have heard about the Vedas. There are four of them: the Rig Veda, Samved, Yajurved, and Atharved. The oldest Ved is the Rig Veda, composed about 3,500 years ago. The Rig Veda includes more than 1,000 hymns, called Sukta or well said. These hymns are in praise of various gods and goddesses. Three gods are especially important: Agni, the god of fire;
Deshna, that is
especially important, the Agni, the god of fire; Indra, a warrior god; and Soma, a plant from which a special drink was prepared. These hymns were composed by sages. Priests taught students to recite and memorize each syllabus, word, and sentence bit by bit with great care. Most of the hymns were composed, taught, and learned by men. A few were composed by women. The Rig Veda is in Old or Vedic Sanskrit, which is different from the Sanskrit you learn in school these days.
Keep it up. Anyone else? Done? Is it done, children? All have completed? No one else is left? Okay. Now, get ready with your copy and pen, all of you. Today and tomorrow we will practice preposition. Preposition. Acha, who remembered what do you mean by preposition? Who remembers that what do you mean by preposition? Children?
In, on.
Who can tell me? Who can define what is preposition? Who will say? Manya, Deshna, Cheshta, Chahat, Boys, Arihant, Arya, Hardik, Harsh, Sonu. Who can tell me? Aram. Okay, Aram, please say.
A preposition is a word that shows a relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence.
Beta, can you tell me normally? I don't want the definition. I just want that what you know, what you understand by preposition. See, I am breaking the word. Preposition. I am already breaking the word. Now, can you tell me? It?
Ma'am, there are three kinds of prepositions.
Yes.
Ma'am, preposition, there is preposition of time, which show the time of something or the regular time. And second, there is a...
Arham, bacha, you are not getting my point.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not getting my point. I am asking, what do we mean by preposition? हमें preposition शब्द से क्या समझ में आता है? I am breaking the word. Preposition. Preposition. Take Baradia.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what do you mean by preposition?
Ma'am,
Very bad, beta. Very poor condition. See, this is the object. This is my pouch bag, right? And I am keeping it here. So, where I am keeping it?
on your palm.
On my palm. Where I have kept it?
On your palm.
On
your palm.
So, which word is the preposition here?
Ma'am, on.
On. Now, how can we say that what I am doing is, I am just showing you the position of this object. What I am showing the position. Position. Pehle. Getting me? Position मतलब?
Yes, ma'am.
वो सामान की जगह कहाँ पे? Preposition. I am again and again telling you, just listen to me what I am saying. Clear?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will show you one exercise. Take a screenshot and you have to solve it. Okay? Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, let me see how many words are there. 20, 30, 30, 50 words, 50 sentences. Okay, I will slowly tell you all to take a screenshot, and this exercise should be solved in your fair copies by today evening. Clear? Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot.
Ma'am, can anybody take the screenshot and send it in the group?
Ask any one of you who will do that.
Ma'am, I.
Who is I?
And I.
Name?
Tirth Mehta.
Okay, Tirth Mehta. Take the screenshot and share it.
Yes, ma'am.
Take it. Tell me.
Ma'am, take.
Okay, now next. Yes, now take it.
Ma'am, taken.
Now take it.
Ma'am, taken.
No, no, no. Till 50 you have taken, see. Take one more.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please show again.
Taken till 50?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, before 29. Ma'am, before 29. Okay, ma'am.
Now, let us start solving. 5 minutes are still left. I will give you 2 minutes time to solve till 1 till 10. कोई अभी बोलेगा, no one will speak out. Now, wait for a while. Listen to me carefully. Take 2 minutes time and then solve it. She learned Russian dash the age of 45. She learned Russian dash the age of 45. Second, the book was written dash Mark Twain. The book was written dash Mark Twain. I will show you the picture dash the palace. I will show you the picture dash the palace.
She learned.
We can only get to the camp dash foot. We can only get to the camp dash foot. He reminds me dash his old history teacher. What are you talking dash? What are you talking dash? Dash the end of next year, we will have made over $1 lakh. She always gets up early, dash the morning, and goes to bed late, dash night. I went to work dash Tuesday, but I did not go dash Friday. Ten. You will have to wait. We'll be with you dash a minute. You dash a minute. Now who will give me the first answer? She learned Russian.
At.
Correct. The book was written dash mark.
Bye.
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 I will show you the picture.
The picture
At.
Okay. We
At
can
the
only
place.
get to the camp.
Go. नहीं मतलब two. On. Then two.
We can only get to the camp
With foot.
with on foot.
Ma'am, bye.
He reminds me dash his old history teacher. He reminds me
From
of.
off.
What are you talking
About.
about? Dash the end of next year, we will have made over 1 lakhs.
At.
No. By the end of next year.
Okay.
She always gets up early, dash the morning.
By the morning.
In the morning. She always gets up early in the morning and goes to bed late
At night.
at night. Very good. I went to work dash Tuesday. I went to work,
On.
but I did not go.
At.
No, beta. On Friday. I went to work on Tuesday, but I did not go on Friday. Clear? So, we will do it in the next class. Anyone wants to speak something? I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Beta? Okay, we will meet in the next class and we will do 2 more exercises are left. This is today's homework. Do it in your fair copy. Write today's date and start solving. Take care. Bye-bye. Solve it positively.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
मैम एक डाउट है मैम
Yes.
मैम 8 इंडिकेशन के भेज चुका हूँ देख लिए मैम
When you have forwarded?
इन मैम टुमारो
Yesterday.
yesterday मैम
Okay, I have to check it. Mail or WhatsApp?